Ciao Tesla people! Today another road trip to the Chianti Shire or Chianti region. First stop to Greve in Chianti to do some breakfast, and then to some other town in the region to look for vineyards and maybe some churches and castles and stuff. So come with me, I'll do a time lapse and then I'll see you there.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
aguacero perché non ha piovuto abbastanza. Cioè ha fatto una pioggerina così, sì, questo è la mattina fa aria condizionata. So I came to the Pieve di San Romolo, which is right behind Greve in Chianti, and this is the church, but it's closed unfortunately. It's very nice. It's all stone, you see, very cool. Let me show you behind. There is a tower, and there is the tower. It's very, very cool. Very nice. Unfortunately, it's closed. It was supposed to be open. I don't know, because it's in the middle of the week, but it's very cool. Tesla over there under the tree. And it's very, very cool. And it's all surrounded by olive trees and vineyards. It's very cool. And I think it was built 1,000 years ago. let me check again because I wanted to make sure. It's very nice. Let me see if there are more information about here. There are not much information, unfortunately. It's open from in the afternoon. Yeah, unfortunately, from 3 to 6. Anyway, pretty cool. And there's a church too. On Saturday and Sunday there are mass, 4, 5, and 11:30. Very, very cool. Very nice. Let me see it from here. Very nice. Cool.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever, we'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So I just got back home. It was a very cool road trip. I stopped first at Greve in Chianti to do some breakfast, and then I went to the a church in the middle of the Chianti region of castles, San Bartolo, which is really cool. And then I took a ride around the hills, almost mountains, which is considered it's called the Castle region of Chianti, where a whole bunch of castles and the vineyards, farm, all that kind of thing. It's really, really cool. Weather-wise, still pretty warm, so you can do really much outside, but the ride was really cool. So, and just ideas for the future, so I can take a better pictures and videos, and maybe eat out at the restaurants and stuff outside, of course. Anyway, I'm back home. Please put a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.